Why hire a professional cleaning company? Our exclusive 52-point spring clean ensures the cleaning of essentially every surface in every room of your home. The Maids will scrub, shine, and hand wash their way through your home until everything is clean just the way you want it. All of our maids complete the full training and earn the associate degree in maid services. We use eco-friendly products that are healthy for your family, your pets, and the environment. Whether you need weekly, bi-weekly, or one-time cleaning, your home or business will be cleaned to your highest expectations and your satisfaction is 100% guaranteed. It is time to let us focus on your cleaning so you can focus on your life. Call us for your free in-house estimate.
You've got Maids of Central Houston.
Your team at You've Got Maids, Central Houston.